Hello everyone and welcome to Enbon LED display. Today we will introduce to you the E model, Enbon's star indoor face installation product, specially designed for Japanese and Korean markets. The E model's standard camera size is 1000 by 250 millimeters with a module size of 2050 by 2050 millimeters. Its biggest highlight is that the camera can be flexibly cut into 250 by 250 millimeters or 500 by 500 millimeters. It can also be freed combined according to the on-site environment during installation, showing the power of traditional indoor face installation that cannot be flexibly arranged due to the limited space. Each camera weighs only 4.8 kilograms, which is 20% lighter than similar products, making installation and transportation easier while saving labor and time. Whether in shopping malls, conference rooms, or exhibition displays, the E model can be quickly adapted for efficient installation and stable operation. It's not only lightweight and flexible, but also delivers delicate display quality and reliable performance, bringing a whole new experience to indoor face installation scenarios. These are the main lights of the Enbon E model: flexible sizing, lightweight design, strong adaptability. If you'd like to know more, feel free to contact us anytime. See you!